sometime in early December 2013, I was designated as Director of the Criminal Investigation and Detection Group. That in the course of the performance of my duty and functions as Director, CIDG, I initiated intelligence operations and case build-up in response to reported illegal activities of some CIDG and CRPO and PRO3 personnel who were engaged in a scheme called Agaw Bato, in which they peddle illegal drugs recovered through legitimate police operations. Part of their modus operandi is to arrest Chinese drug traffickers and seize illegal drugs. They would later free them in exchange for money and arrest another Chinese national as replacement of the freed drug trafficker. A nominal part of the seized drugs will be legally declared, while a sizable amount will be brought to their safe houses and distributed, each member receiving his share. Sir, just to elaborate, ang nangyayari po rito, there are rogue elements of the Philippine National Police. They have this... Opo.
Even CIDG,
Yes,
ano po yung NCRPO?
National Capital Region and Police Regional Office 3 in
Yes, sir.
Olivas.
Bakit agaw ba to?
Ganito po yung
Si
concept po
Senator
rito.
Bato ba yan?
No, sir. No, hindi po. Malayo po kay Senator Bato.
Yes, go ahead.
Ang sistema po rito,